This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your browser and Amazon sign-in because Keepa overlays product pages and needs the right environment. Once done, open your browser's extension store and search for Keepa. Type the exact name to avoid clones. Make sure you're signed into the browser so settings sync, and review permissions quickly. Keepa reads Amazon pages to show price history. Click Add or Install now so the extension lands in your toolbar, and keep the Store tab open for the next configuration step. Now pin Keepa and open its options to grant page access to Amazon domains. This enables the price graphs to appear. Once granted, choose your locale and currency so data aligns with your Amazon storefront. This is crucial for accurate tracking. Next, enable the product detail graphs and set default chart ranges. You can also configure price drop alerts and email or push notifications. These choices tailor the extension to your workflow, so make deliberate selections for alerts and display density. Finish by opening an Amazon product page to confirm the Keepa graph appears beneath the price. This verifies everything is working. If the chart is missing, reload the page and ensure the extension is enabled for the Amazon domain. Clear browser cache and log in again if needed. If problems persist, disable other extensions that inject page content, update your browser to the latest version, and reinstall Keepa. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle site access permissions. Most issues resolve by allowing Keepa to read and change site data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.